Enrolling in USTP is an exciting and transformative journey that opens doors to endless possibilities. So here is the enrollment process of USTP. First is the informational portal. It is an online portal that serves as one-stop destination for all enrollment-related information. It is for the old and new USTP students. It includes the details about academic programs, admission requirements, financial aid options, campus life, and application deadlines. Next is the online application. It is a user-friendly online application form that can be completed in a few simple steps. It is where the soft copies of the required documents are submitted. Next is the automatic confirmation. It is a automatically confirm receipt of the application upon submission. It sends a confirmation email to the student applicant with details about what to expect next in the enrollment process.
Fourth, verification of document. The admission officer will verify the information the students have provided in the application form and will evaluate the documents they have submitted. However, a PRISM's follow-up email will be sent to the students if they have lacking information in the application form and if they have lacking documents. In contrast, if the student's application form is verified and their documents are complete and accurate, schedule for the admission test will be provided in the succeeding email. This is an important step to ensure that admitted students meet the required qualifications and standards set by the university, promoting fairness and transparency for all applicants. Next step, entrance examination. Students are required to take the computer-based University of Science and Technology admission test. Students should download their examination permit, password, username, and mode of the exam are sent in their email, and in case the applicant cannot take the admission test on the scheduled date due to emergency reasons such as not feeling physically well, notify the university. The students are granted only once to request for reschedule of exam. Passing the entrance exam is important in university admissions because it serves as a standardized assessment to evaluate the academic preparedness and knowledge of prospective students towards their chosen course. Next step.
Next is the examination result. The University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines will inform the students if they have successfully passed the admission into the undergraduate program of the university. So the university will send an email to ang gatik sa exam. So they will know if they pass or not. So next. So STP prisms. You know if you pass because they give you these accounts. Open the given account, fill up the student information in the prisms.
Next step is physical enrollment. So after you get an email and get an account of Prism, you need to go to the USTP campus and provide the given hard copies of the following: hard copy of PSA birth certificate, original copy of Form 138 school report card, hard copy of good moral certificate, and original hard copy of 2x2 ID photo. Next step, electronic enrollment. The Office of Admission and Scholarships shall notify the student when it is the start of electronic enrollment period or per batch. Proceed to designated computer laboratory in ICT building. Log in the PRISM account and proceed to the enrollment. choose the course and section. So after you get after you've been successfully passed the entrance examination, you'll get an email, and after you get an email, you go to the school to enroll. And nowadays the enrollment take place in internet. So the school itself has its own sites wherein you can enroll yourselves. That's next.
Next is the medical. Proceed to the USTP clinic and provide a medical certificate and fill up the form for the student's medical record. Next is the ID process. You proceed to the gym lobby for the processing of ID. Then after processing the ID, the students is required to pay the PTA fee. And last is you are now all set.
Flowchart for the USTP enrollment process. So, so there are two sides of this flowchart: the new student and the old USTP student. So if you are an old USTP student, you will be already admitted to the online application, and you will only proceed to the USTP prisms prisms.ustp.edu.ph. So it means that if you are an graduate student in the USTP senior high school, you are not required to take the entrance examination. So if you are a new student, you are required to fill up the online application form. So after that, you will wait for the verification of the document. So if your documents are not complete, the USTP Prisms will send you a follow-up email. So if ever your documents are complete, then you will wait for the entrance examination schedule email. So if you got the email, then you will wait for the exact date for your entrance examination and take it in the assigned date for your entrance examination. So after taking the entrance examination, you will wait for the result. So if ever you will not pass the entrance examination, then your option is to wait for the next academic year. So if ever you are lucky enough to pass the entrance examination, then you will wait for the confirmation email that will be sent to you by the USTP admissions. So after receiving it, you will directly proceed to the prisms.ustp.edu.ph to log in the given account to you. And after logging in, go to the dashboard and fill up the student information. So after fill upping those things, you are required to submit the hard copied documents through face to face. So this is the physical enrollment. After submitting those documents, you are required to go to the designated area where you can have your electronic enrollment. It is where you will select your section and your desired course. So after that, if you're done with it, you will directly proceed to the USTP's clinic wherein you will pass your medical certificate and fill up the form for your medical records. And after that, you will proceed to the ID processing area. And with that, you are all set and you are already officially enrolled to the USTP.
Our group's ideal enrollment process, the steps are generally just the same with the original USTP enrollment process. We just added a step that we think is beneficial, especially for those who really worked hard in their senior high years. Okay, so let's just proceed directly to the step that we've added, please. Okay. So checking academic achievements and credentials of the students. Students that achieved the highest honors or with uh, um, general weighted average of 98 to 100% will be exempted to USTP's entrance examination. However, the applicant's senior high school strand should be aligned with the chosen course. If ever the applicant's credentials doesn't satisfy with the mentioned requirements, the applicant will be required to take the USTP's entrance examination. So exempting students with high grades from admission examinations recognizes their academic accomplishments and contributions while also benefiting the university in various ways, such as saving time, kay dili naman sila kailangan mag-exam. And then it also encourages students nga mo enroll, especially those students nga um, academically excels academically.
Then checking of achievements and credentials will begin. So here, if ever your requirements are meet upon the standard, which is the 98 to 100 general weighted average, then you then you will be not required to take the entrance examination.
As we conclude our enrollment presentation led with passion and dedication by Basilot Vinci, I want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who have contributed. Special thanks to our members, Tahod Cora, Charlotte Beatriz, Lagra Lloyd, and yours truly. As we embark on this journey together, let's continue to strive excellence and make a positive impact in our community. Thank you for all your time and participation.